Large 20-cup capacity, 14 inches of cooking surface and 25-inch depth provides up to 20 cups of cooking capacity, feeding approximately 6 people, perfect for large families or entertaining at parties, anything from burgers, pancakes, pizza, stir-fry, fajitas, and more. This skillet has you covered. Rapid heat, cook or bake, breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, or a variety of snacks to cater to even the pickiest of eaters. Quickly heats up to 450. In less time than it takes you to heat the stovetop or oven. Tempered glass lid allows you to safely check on meals during cooking, while proper sealing conserves heat and flavor, so you can serve great meals each and every time. Safer, the TruGlide PFOA-free non-stick surface provides an even cook for consistent results and makes cleanup a snap. The cool touch handle allows for secure handling during and after use, easily transfer meals from kitchen to table safely. Includes the 1400-watt family electric skillet plus oven. Includes anti-slip feet, removable cords, recipe book and recipe database access. All non-electric parts are easily wiped clean. The Dash family skillet, 14 inches, is perfect for countertop cooking and entertaining. The ample 14 inches pan, with a 2.5 depth, accommodates stews, sauces, stir-fries and more for a family of up to 6 people. Braise, simmer, scramble, sear and sauté, all in your Dash family skillet. The PFOA-free nonstick cooking surface makes it so easy to clean, and the removable electric probe and cord make it easy to store. An easy-to-use temperature control adjusts the skillet to 450 quickly, and cool touch handles allow for safe transport from your kitchen to the dinner table. Top reviews from the United States. Owned my for over a year. Still love it. I love my skillet. This is a great size. I use it all the time but have noticed the temperature gauge does not work as well. Cleaning is challenging as cannot put emmers in sink. But with the energy crisis saves money in not turning stove on and does not heat whole house up. We started using skillets late 70s during last crisis and saved energy then. Doing it again.